Watch this video and learn how to draw a rubber ducky! Yeah!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello!
Hello, Artie.
Hello!
Are you happy today?
Artie, very happy!
Wonderful news. Should we do a drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what you want to draw today?
I don't know.
You know your rubber ducky in the bathtub?
Yeah?
Should we draw him?
Yeah, okay. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Yay!
Welcome, little artist, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
Are you ready, Artie? Artie, should we start?
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin. Let's start by drawing a half circle on the left side of the page. That's it, Artie. Great start. Now do another half circle on the right side of the page. Okay, now connect those two together at the bottom. If Artie's going too fast, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's start the rubber ducky's head. We'll do a half circle, go all the way round, and stop. Now draw the top of the head, but do two little curvy V shapes. That's going to look like the feathers on the back of the duck's head.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Now let's draw the tail of our rubber ducky. And connect that to the main body. That's it, Artie. Let's do a wing shape on the side of our duck. Now complete the shape all the way up to the top. There you go. You want to have a joke break? All right, Mikey, are you ready? It's joke break time.
Hey kids, welcome back to your favorite part of the show. It's Jokes with Mikey Marker. So, what's a cheerleader's favorite color? Yellow. What color is a burp? Burple. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Oh, I get it, Mikey. The tomato was embarrassed. Okay, let's get back to our drawing. Let's do the eye. Draw a little circle, Artie, and then shade it in completely black. Now draw an oval shape around that circle. That's right, nice big one. Let's draw the beak. Draw a hook shape on its side. There you go. See, it looks like a hook. Now let's draw the bottom part of the beak. Connect the end of the hook shape down to the rest of the beak. A few finishing touches.
That looks fantastic.
just marvelous.
Now, Artie, let's draw some bath water because Artie plays with his rubber ducky in the bathtub. Some nice wavy lines to signify Artie's bath water. Oh, that reminds me, Artie, it's bath night tonight. You're finished?
Is it time to color it in now?
It sure is, Betty. Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker, but until then,
Have an Artie day!
That's right, little artists. We hope you have an Artie day and thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.